Hello there, welcome to my channel. So I'm making this video based on popular demand. I want to share with you the top 7 money spinning niches in the Nigerian e-commerce space. The truth is, this is not just about Nigeria, right? If you're in Ghana, if you're in Cameroon, if you're in Cote d'Ivoire, South Africa, whichever African country that you live in, if you understand the product that sells, if you see a product that sells in this country, be assured that if you test it in your own country, it is also going to sell, because human desires are the same thing everywhere. Human wants, human needs are the same thing everywhere. So pay attention to this video and ensure that you pick one or two of the niches and invest time, effort, and resources into it. I can assure you one thing: you're going to make a lot of money. When I say money, I mean you're going to make shitload of money. Shitload of money. I'm telling you from experience, and I'm going to share some personal experiences with you as we proceed in this video. Okay? E-commerce will make you rich. That's the full stop. I don't care what anyone has told you, but I can guarantee you that doing e-commerce in Nigeria, in Africa, is going to make you rich, right? I mean, you can see young people affording to buy cars, changing houses, moving to a high-brow area or environment because of what? E-commerce. E-commerce gave them that advantage, that opportunity to live a better life. I am one of such people, right? So yes, e-commerce will make you rich if you understand the best practices, implement consistently, and be patient, because it's going to take some time. It's not a spontaneous business, right? You need to understand the best practices, the best approach, right? And then you need to implement whatever you learn. Implement it consistently. It's not doing it today and stopping and then continue 3 months later. No, consistently over time. That's the difference between you and someone else who is just mismanaging their resources. Okay? And then you have to be patient. Great things take time. I started e-commerce many years ago. I made some money then, but it cannot be compared with what we are seeing now, right? Now we are living good, but it was not always like this. So be patient, okay? So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 of the hottest and money pumping niches in the Nigerian e-commerce space. I will ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. That's all. Like this video so that more people get to see my video. If you are new here and you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first to get notified whenever I publish videos. Let's dive into it. So the first niche here is the health niche. This is, everyone knows this. Everyone in e-commerce knows that health is a money spinning niche. All right. But I'm going to give you a hint. You have to sell only products that work. Okay. And products that have the right or the necessary approvals. Okay. If you're in the health niche and you sell a product that works, you can afford to buy a car within a month or two. That's how powerful health niche is. People have problems. People have health issues. And that's why I advise that you sell products that work. Don't just sell because you want to make money. That's evil. That's a wicked thing to do. Don't just sell because you want to just sell and to them and make money. That's a wicked thing to do. Sell products that work, that are verified, and that products that are approved by the necessary authorities. Okay? You can approach most of these network marketing companies that have these products that are not common. If those products are approved, then you can go ahead and sell them. Okay? Because if you sell products that are not approved, that the authorities are not approved, you might run into trouble. You might run into issues. We're talking of health, right? We're talking of health. Health is wealth. So yes, you need to sell products that work well. The only issue with this health niche is Facebook ads. The Facebook platform. Facebook is going to deal with you mercilessly. That's the truth. Facebook is going to come hard on you, deal with you with a hammer. They will restrict your ad accounts. They will ban you. They will restrict your page. They will just frustrate you. So how people sell health products is they use influencer marketing. If you go there on Instagram, you see a lot of them on Instagram and Facebook. They use influencer marketing. They use Facebook groups, large groups. They use Facebook influencers, Facebook page with large and highly engaged audience. They also use WhatsApp TV. Okay, these are areas that you may want to explore if you want to go into the health niche. And if you want to use Facebook adverts, you have to do what we call, you have to use what we call a bridge page. A bridge page, like two bridge pages before you even get to your main sales page. Even at that, you are still definitely going to get banned. Facebook, they will do the manual stuff that they do. They will still find out. But at least it might take a while, but they will definitely find out. So it's just crazy. So you need to find a way to work around it. Using influencer marketing is the best, although it's more expensive, but it is the most effective way of selling health niche in Facebook ads. Please sell products that work and products that has the right and the necessary approvals. The second one is the weight loss niche. People want to stay fit. You know these things, right? People want to stay fit and be in good shape. People want to lose belly fat. People want to lose the cellulites. People want to be in good shape, right? They don't want to be overweight. They don't want to be obese. So people want to be in good shape. Weight loss is a niche that sells every day of the week, every minute, every second. Okay? Weight loss. It sells every day of the week. It can be it can be a supplement, it can be tea, all this weight loss tea, slimming tea, right? It can be weight loss gym equipment, it can be weight loss apparel, it can be all this belly burner that you just plug, and there are a lot of them. It could either be a medication or an accessory, whichever one that you want to sell. I want to guarantee you that there's money on weight loss in the weight loss niche. So you could just carry out a research and decide on which area of the niche you want to focus on. Is it on the accessories or on the supplements, on the teas? There are herbal teas, there are supplements, there are apparels, there are accessories. There are so many of them. Let's go to the next one. Security. Security will give you money. Why? Because people are security conscious. Humans are security conscious, right? Parents want to be sure that their children are safe wherever they are. That's why there was a time we sold this smart security watch that once your children wear it, the parents can monitor their children and know where the children are at every point in time. We sold those watches. We imported them from China back in the days. Those are kind of things that parents want. They want to have total control of their children. They want to be assured of the safety of their children, right? So, in fact, people, even business owners also, all the CCTV camera and stuff, business owners like to have the CCTV camera in their stores, right? People love to have these kind of things also in their cars. Security, everybody's first priority wherever they step out, even when they are home, is security of life and property. And that is why the security niche is a money spinning niche. CCTV camera, wristwatch to monitor your children, desk clock that is a camera, that is a spy camera, all right? This spy camera eyeglass, there's so many of these products. You just need to learn how to make research and find out these products. If you find one, you buy car this year. You buy car, like you're going to sell crazy and buy car this year. Security niche. People want to protect their properties, their cars. That's why they put all this car tracker. Do you know how much people who do tracker tracking, do you know how much they make every month? Security. Why would you buy a car worth millions and do not secure it? That's why car tracking business is lucrative now, because people want to secure their cars. People want to secure their business. People want to secure their investments, right? Security niche. Fourth one is beauty. Everybody wants to look beautiful. Everybody wants to be appreciated. People want to be admired. They want to be seen. Ladies, men, everyone. We just want to be seen. Have this clear, smooth skin, smooth face, no eczema, no pimples, no blackhead, no acne, nothing. Wear nice hair. That's why you see these hair vendors on Instagram, they are buying Benz. They're selling hair 300K. People are buying it. Why? Because they want to look beautiful. They want to be appreciated. They want to look nice, right? People want to have smooth skin, skincare products. If you have any acne, any black spot, any pimples, they want to treat it and take it off their skin. They don't want to have any blemishes whatsoever. Skincare, beauty. Even people that used to do bleaching cream, they are making money selling bleaching cream. Bleaching cream, oh. Even as doctors, health practitioners, they advise against those things that it has an adverse health effect. People still use their own money to buy it because they want to look. Do you understand? So these things are selling. Don't tell me you are not making money. Look for these products, sell them. Sell to people what they want, not what you think they want, but what they have actually demonstrated and vested their interest in wanting with their money. All right? People want to look good at all times. Sell them that feeling of looking good. The fifth one is kitchen niche. This is one of my favorites because everybody loves things that would make life easier for them. Everybody wants the easiest ways to get things done. That's why you see people buying industrial blenders, those kind of blenders. People buying pando, yam pounder, all these kind of machines to pound yam. These things help save time. So instead of using mortar to pound yam, those days are gone now. You cannot be suffering yourself in the city. All right. So they buy these machines, right? There's so many of them. There are so many of them. People buy different stuff just to have the easier life. Last year, I sold that blender that can blend bottle. I know how we sold. When I say millions, if I say we sold 20 million, that's small money. If I say we sold 40 million, that's small money because we sold way more than those figures, right? So I'm telling you from experience. I'm sharing my personal experiences with you. Do you understand? You sell thousands of units of an item in a year. Do you know how much you're going to make? Kitchen niche. Look for things in the kitchen department that would help people make things easier for them. Right? I'm taking this video gently and slowly so that you understand me clearly. Kitchen niche is a money pumping niche in the e-commerce space. The sixth one is car accessories. I sold some car accessories. I shared some of them in this channel. I shared some of the car accessories I sold in this channel. Car accessories are money pumping niche, right? It could be fancy stuff that you put in your car, like car lights, like tire lights, like car interior decoration. Do you understand? Dashboard camera, of course, it's an accessory and it's for security also. Because as police is harassing young Nigerians and stuff, so we began to sell those spy camera that you can just install in your car. Only you will know where it is, so that you can capture the environment. So that if police is harassing you, you have your evidence. These are the things that are selling. I'm telling you now for a fact. Ask anyone who is doing e-commerce about car accessories; they will tell you. I sold something as little as car wheel light that does not solve any problem. Just fancy light that would be shining as your car is moving. People were buying it. I sold thousands of pieces of that product. I gave my students, they sold thousands of pieces. Do you know how much that was bringing in? Car accessories. Look for car accessories. All right. Things that can beautify a car or fanciful, or even some car parts that people are looking for. Look for them and sell to them. Like there's this one called jump starter, right? Jump starter. There's this one that there are accessories that you can use to jump start your car if the battery is low or something like that, right? There's another one that you can use to pump your tire. That tire pump. When your car tire goes down, you don't need to start looking for a forker, for vulcanizer, right? You don't need to start looking for a vulcanizer. Simply bring out that small tool, put it, press it, and then your car tire start pumping. Amazing stuff. Car owners love to have these things. So you better be on the watch out and pay attention to what people are buying. Fashion niche. Fashion niche. Now, niches under fashion, such as print on demand. is a big money making niche. It's a big money making venture. You can go on Google now and type something like print on demand. You are going to see so much that people have to say about these stuffs, right? Print on demand, print on demand, print on demand. A lot of them, a lot of them. Print on demand for your e-com business. There's a lot of them, right? Printful, print on demand, fulfillment and warehousing, certain best print on demand companies. So there is a lot of them, so many of them. What if we add print on demand in Nigeria? There are so many of these things, right? You can niche down to your location and search for whatever it is. I think I made a video on this sometime last year, but I'm going to make a new video on this to expose to you more accurate ideas and more ways to make better money in this print on demand business, right? That's what I'm going to do. If you want me to make that video, please let me know in the comment section that you want me to make a video, a comprehensive video on print on demand business in Nigeria, and I'm going to make that video. If you want it, drop the comments here. Okay, then also wristwatch. Wristwatch is everybody knows now. Smartwatch or health monitoring, health monitoring watch or fancy gold or just chain wristwatches. Do you understand? And the bangles rather. These things are things that sell every blessed day. I have sold some of those things I'm mentioning here. They still sell till tomorrow because every day people are in need of different things, and the best way to sell is to always make an offer. When you want to sell, you make an offer. The offer makes your selling irresistible. If you have an irresistible offer, people are going to buy what you are selling. Okay, so for health products, remember that for health products you have to be careful because of Facebook ban, and then you have to sell products that work. People want to be healthy. People want to have uh, health and well-being, right? Different. Just make your research on health niche, and you will see different kind of sub niches under health that you can venture into. Okay. That's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment in the comment sections below. I'll be here to attend and answer to all your questions. Like this video, drop your contributions, drop your comments, share this video with as many you know who find it helpful. If you have any question on e-commerce business, ask me in the comment section here, and I will gladly respond to you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.